Kimi has truly gone all out this time. The newly released Kimi Code isn't just another bot that suggests code for you to copy and paste. It's an intelligent agent that gets authorized to actually work on your computer. It writes code, runs commands, and fixes bugs on its own, used to assist the AI. But now it's your fully automated programming partner. Want to onboard it to your computer? Here are the key points. It's built on the latest K2.5 model and requires a Python 3.13 environment. Many people still have older Python versions on their computers. Blindly upgrading can completely break your system. My hands-on recommendation, use ServBay. It instantly sets up an isolated environment with Python 3.13, meeting Kimi's requirements without messing up your local system, clean and hassle-free. Once your environment is ready, open the terminal and run pip install Kimi Code. Then comes a crucial pitfall. Listen carefully. After entering login, you'll see 3 options. Option 1 is for the paid premium version, but today we're focusing on the free trial. Go with option 2 or 3. Next, generate an API key on the official website. Heads up, this key is shown only once. I accidentally closed the page the first time and had to start over, such a hassle. So the moment it's generated, copy it immediately and switch back to the terminal to paste it. Finally, select the latest K2.5 model and turn thinking mode off. With that done, your fully automated assistant is officially on duty. From today, let it handle all the heavy lifting of coding